Hi everyone. With the winter weather rolling through our area, I thought it would be the best time to show you that you can cook this simple field bread no matter where you are. Keep your dough dry and your fire hot. The ingredients are simple. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. And you can keep that lukewarm even in the coldest of temperatures if you keep your canteen close to your body while you're hiking, moving about, whatnot. You can also add other spices or dry enhancements as needed. I chose to add chia seeds as they're a compact powerhouse of energy. If you happen to miss those ingredients, they'll be down in the video's description as well. The improvised fire pit you see here is to demonstrate one of the many ways to build a fire. This is using an old tractor wheel hub and trench cut into a small hill. The hub keeps the fire dry, and if I were using a Dutch oven with lid, would keep the food dry as well. This type of fire does smoke, but being in the trench and covered with that hub will reduce the fire's visibility at a distance. To improve on this design, you could dig a Dakota fire pit and use an old car wheel, etc. to cover the pit while still allowing for air. I would like to give a shout out and issue a challenge to Arkansas Livin here on YouTube. He's a pretty good guy, some great videos. Go check him out. Arkansas Livin, I challenge you to cook something great in the middle of all this snow. Once cooked, this type of bread is very dense. I formed this at around 1 inch thick and was able to quarter it and then slice in half like a bun. After that, you can put your bacon or other preps inside for a calorie-rich field sandwich. The bread tastes pretty good. It's not anything like you would buy off of a shelf. It's nutrient-rich and calorie-rich, so it would be enough to sustain you for several days with this method. Thank you, and happy prepping.